Hello and welcome to Tuesday. Today we are focusing on city connections. So basically we're thinking of all the different ways that people and goods move throughout cities, or how our cities are all connected to one another. That leads us to our warm-up, which are what are the different ways that people or things get from city to city. So please do not respond with an I don't know. Just kind of try to think of if you had to go somewhere or if you wanted to order something on Amazon. How does that actually get to your house, or how do you actually get to the places that you go? From there, we enter our city connections activity. You open up your document. Obviously, once again, it looks a little different for you guys than it does for me. But you read the directions at the top. City connections, your learning target. You're really trying to identify what connects major cities to each other and analyze how they are connected to your life. Look through each map and analyze, discover the different ways cities are connected. For each map, you will analyze about how different connections affect your life. So, you'll have things about what is the purpose of this map, some questions specifically designed to get you to look through the map, and then the one I want to point out before I'm done is here. So on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being super probable, definitely, and 1 being not really ever, what is the probability that these roads, being on this one, affects your life? And then explain why these roads are important to your day-to-day life. My expectation as your teacher that you write at least 1 to 2 sentences before, and just know that you have about 4 to go through before we leave. Make sure that you are doing your exit ticket. This week's is, now that you have analyzed 4 types of city connections, how important is it for cities to have multiple forms of connection? Explain your answer in more than 1 sentence. As always, email and try to message me on Schoology if you need any help. Good luck.